Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tam. Got this beautiful Chinese Taiwanese sausage. And we're gonna make Chinese sausage omelette. The Chinese sausage is very sweet, smoky, very great taste. I got this sweet onion. We're gonna add some onion to stir fry the sausage first. The Chinese sausage is really great to make fried rice. That's probably gonna do next. We're gonna cut the onion. I think this save the half for the fried rice tomorrow. And here I got this beautiful spinach. Very fresh, organic. Just gonna give them a quick chop. Here we go. Now we're gonna crack some egg. We have 4 people, so we're gonna do maybe 6 egg will be good. Now the egg, some people like to add some cream or milk. That'd be okay. I'm just gonna beat it up like this. I'm not gonna add anything. So the more you beat up the egg, the more foamy egg you're gonna get. So we just want medium, like this. I use medium heat. Preheat my skillet for maybe 2 to 3 minutes. And just a tiny little bit oil. And we're gonna add in the onion and the sausage to cook. And we want to caramelize the onion, and we want to have this beautiful Taiwanese sausage run them down the fat. They have very delicious, tasty fat that to cook. We're gonna cook this down. It's gonna take some time. Be patient. Probably 7 to 8 minutes. This part really takes time, you see? Gotta be patient, gotta wait until they caramelize the onion. You see the caramelize on them and the sausage? I just found this tomato grape. Tiny one. It's good for making stir-fried egg too, or omelette. Delicious. So we're gonna let them cook. Looking good. The sausage got a lot of flavor. Sodium, everything is in there already. If you try a piece right now, or any onion, a piece of the tomatoes, they have flavor. That's what's good about the Taiwanese sausage. Now we're gonna add in the spinach. Spinach doesn't require time to cook. We just want to have all the ingredients coating with this lightly of this sausage, running down the oil and the little oil we had earlier. One thing about cooking eggs easy to absorb the liquor, especially the oil. So a lot of people put a lot of oil, otherwise they think the egg gonna be burned or not cooked good enough. That's why we use medium heat. Even we cook medium heat, we still can get the temperature right. So now I'm just watching my spinach. Not overcook the spinach. I think this is good, right? So I'm gonna spread everything evenly apart before I add my beaten egg in. I think this is good, huh? Now I add my egg in. And while the egg is cooking, I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Or you can add anything, paprika, turmeric, some kosher salt, not much. Pinch the salt evenly like this. Cover up every inch. That's good. Don't want to eat too much sodium. We want flavor. Pepper. Ooh, pepper. Oh, pepper made me sneeze. Okay, now we want to turn the heat a little bit lower so give them a chance to cook at the bottom. And we want the egg and the mixture to be set, you know? Once I see the egg set corner, tap down the corner. See? It's not yet, so we gotta wait. Gotta be patient. I think the egg start to set, and then I can open up the middle, form a little well. So give it a little shape. So some of the egg can go in here. That looks good. I tend to heat really low. Let them get a chance to cook. I see some running egg down right here. Get into the well. Or you can put it in the oven for like 350 just for a few minutes. And now's a good time if you want to add some cheese. Put on the top. I put it in the oven 350 for a few minutes until the cheese melt. That'll be great. But I'm gonna make like omelette pizza. So see the egg, once you go like this toward the pan, the egg is not running. That means the egg is pretty much set. I just give them a tap. It's so much fun. Shake. Couple more minutes. I think it's done. It's gonna take about almost like 10 minutes. Low heat. Okay, so the top still very fresh. The egg is set, is running a little bit, but the bottom is cooked. I guarantee that. Or you can give them a flip. I can flip this, but I'm gonna take a try because this skillet is really large, and I can. You wanted me to do it? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna do it. Shake it a little bit. Go like this. Watch. Voila! See, the bottom is good. Okay, after you flip, you gotta let them sit and set. See, the bottom part is really good, but sometimes I like the top is like a little running, the bottom is like this. So it's not set yet because when you shake the skillet, see, you have to go like this until the egg will move a little bit. Separate from your skillet. That's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it off. I know the breakfast, brunch, this is perfect. So we're gonna put it right here. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Okay, so now you're gonna let them cool off a little bit. I usually just gonna cut into like little section. Just let you see what I like. Oh, so good. Ooh, hot. Let me try. Look, they got tomatoes, spinach, everything's nicely cooked. Caramelized onion and sausage. Wow. My goodness. So good.